Okay, in this video we are going to show you how to update any smartphone from the previous version to the latest version. I mean from 116 to 115 to 116, 114 to 115. So before we start this process, I will ask from you guys to hit on the subscribe button so we can when we upload new video you can get notification. And also you can check the link below the description if your phone is in FRP mode and you can't update your software. I also made that video below the description so you can check that too. Okay, but this one is only for those who their phone is working well but they don't find the update to new version, update Android version to the latest version on their phone. This video is only for those people. But if your phone is in FRP mode, you can't this video is not for you. You can check the link below the description for that. Before we start, click on settings. After click on settings, scroll it down. After scroll it down, you will see about. After click on about, scroll it down. Scroll it down. After scroll it down, you will see software update. Just simple click on it. But if it did not find the software update over there, don't worry, I'm going to show you how to find it. I'm going to show you in the same video. Okay. And come back. Now after, you can click on the download and download your firmware. That's how to do it. Now click on the search button. After click on the search button, search for software updates. Search for software update. After search for software update, click on it. After click on it, click on download and install. After click on it, download. After download it, your phone going to ask you to install the software, the new Android software that you have downloaded. So after click on the install, your phone will be updated. It's going to take big time, so get patient. Thank you for all this video. See you in my next video again.